So how many of us over here remember this? And if you remember the second form more clearly, it is more likely that you have understood the formula and not just mugged it up. The problem that India faces today is threefold: lack of motivated teachers, poor involvement from the students' end, and mark-oriented learning. IQ plans to chalk a new road by gamification of education. We believe that analogy is the best pedagogy and gaming the best mode. Analogies lead a student from what he knows to what he does not, and this ultimately helps him learn all the dry stuff with an object-oriented model. We achieve active interaction from the students through gamification, and we hope to fuel this with the concept of edu networking. So let's dive into the details with our protagonist IQ, who's going to explain it all to you. Our target audience is students of India from classes 1 to 12 having access to any computing device such as a smartphone, tablet or a personal computer. The number of children in the age group 0 to 15 is nearly 30 million, of which nearly 4 million are students who have some access to a computing device. In fact, the number of students in this category is going to increase drastically in the coming years for a number of reasons. Firstly, tablets and smartphones are getting cheaper every passing day. A typical example is the launch of the Akash tablet. Secondly, parents and teachers are coming to realize that there is a need to shift from the old methods of teaching and adopt newer pedagogies that enable technology in education. Thirdly, having realized that the number of Android phone activations is growing by 500% in India, we are launching our game on the Android platform. Presently, schools are indeed our biggest competition. Apart from that, other companies which are there in the education space like Heymath, Everon, EasyVidya, Educomp, etc. are our competitors. However, there is a fundamental difference because we teach various concepts through games, while other companies are involved in mere e-representation of what is there in the books. Even the games that they make are rather testing tools and don't provide a rich learning curve to the students. Over time, we have refined our product based on a number of interactions with teachers and students. We have visited 9 schools in various parts of Tamil Nadu and interacted with 885 students of various age groups. We have also interacted with industry experts like Ms. Nirmala Shankaran, MD and co-founder of Heymath, Mr. Valliyappan, director of EasyVidya, Mr. Mohan Murthy, CEO of Eastman Learning Solution Private Limited, and Mr. Sheikh of eFutureSoft. So let's have a look at our website. We have a promo video embedded in it, as well as a feedback form. Let us show you the product demo of a very basic game that we have developed. A carom board that is used to explain reflection. Our belief in our idea and innovation in the field of education led us to the golden opportunity of presenting our idea in TEDx on 25th of November. Moving on to our business model, ours is a B2C strategy wherein we reach directly to the students having access to a smartphone or a tablet. We plan to monetize by in-app purchases wherein the user will pay us to activate the next level, or we could make the whole app a paid app with all features available in one go. The road ahead. In 3 months, we will be ready with 3 games on the Android platform covering many concepts. In the time frame of 6 months from now, we will be ready with a large number of games which will indeed be connected to the single threaded story. We will also be ready with a full-fledged Edu networking module on which work has already begun. Yes, we are setting our foot towards an education revolution, and we are waiting for the day when every mother will say, "Son, go play. You've got an exam tomorrow."